Hello everyone, I'm David Lopez, Application Sales Engineer with Tempo Communications, and today we will be going over the 100XL Visual Fault Locator. The Tempo Communications 100XL Visual Fault Locator is used to visually identify lost locations due to excessive fiber bends, broken fibers, contaminated or damaged connectors, and macrobends in single mode and multi-mode fibers. The 100XL Visual Fault Locator is powered with two AAA alkaline batteries and provides up to 20 hours of operation. The light output is a maximum of 1 milliwatt and is designed as a Class 2 device as approved by the FDA. The 100XL has a continuous mode of operation and a 2 Hz modulation mode. The 100XL is rated for use up to 4 kilometers on standard single mode fiber. It has a universal 2.5 millimeter bulkhead that accommodates SC, FC, ST, and other similar diameter connectors. A break in the fiber is easily identified with the 100XL. A 2 Hz modulation mode aids in viewing loss events in high ambient light conditions. An excessively bent fiber is easily identified and the unit will quickly identify a macrobend. For more information, you can go to our website www.tempocom.com or call our technical support line 1-800-642-2155 and select option 4.